You know when you take something completely to pieces and you go, holy crap, how does that go back together? Boom.
Yes.
So the front bumper is loose. It might be a little off on the angle, but I figure worst case I can grinder out the holes and just tweak it a little. There's only a couple bolts holding this all on, so it's like a giant puzzle. Stand back. It's all just temporarily set on. The bumper has a slight tweak to it, but I think that's just wallow out some holes and hoorah. But this tells me that I'm pretty dang close, at least close enough to finagle with, because this gap sticks out a little, but it's also gapped out here, so it's adjustable. The bumper was the big question, and I'm like, you know, I can level that. It don't take a lot to wallow out a hole, because I can do a little bit just by touching it. So my angle was a touch off, but I'm close enough for me. So there you go.